If I had only 30 days to clear CA foundation, this is the exact strategy I would follow. Now, let's talk about week 1. In week 1, what I would do, I would make accounts as my primary focus and I would study only accounts for next 7 days. Along with that, I would revise economics every day till day 7 in the evening for at least 1.5 or 2 hours. Week 2. In week 2, my primary focus would be on maths. For next 7 days, I'll solve all the MCQs of maths. Along with that, every evening, I'll finish my economics concepts. Week 3. Week 3, that is from day 15 to day 21. In this week, my primary focus would be only law. I'll scribble all the answers in this next 7 days. In this week, I would solve MCQs of economics. Why? Because from past 2 weeks, I was just revising the concepts. So in the third week, where I'll come and solve economic MCQ. Now let's talk about week 4. In week 4, what I would do, the first 5 days of week 4, I would revisit all the concepts and all the questions which were heavy for me while doing my revision from past 3 weeks. So now whatever days are left, that is from 26th to 30th, what I would do, I would give full syllabus test of all the subjects in a reverse order. On 27th, I would give full syllabus test for economics, and wherever I went wrong, I would mark down in my book. Now on 28th, I would give full syllabus mock test for maths. Now again, wherever I went wrong, I would write down in my book. Then let's come to 29th. On 29th, I would give full syllabus test for law. Wherever I went wrong, I would write down. On 30th, I would write full syllabus test for accounts, and wherever I went wrong, I would highlight that concept and I would revisit that concept on 31st and 1st. I hope you like this strategy and you will implement this strategy to clear your foundation.